Now you can copy and paste your WordPress website onto multiple domain names with just one click. In this video, I'll show you how to back up your WordPress website onto a cloud storage. So without wasting time, let's dive in. We're going to be transferring this website from here to this other website. Now take note of the domain names: macwebservices.com and jarawilson.info. So these are the two websites we'll be using. Now it's important that you remember the logins to this particular website. That is your WordPress logins to this website, because after you have backed up the website, you're going to still use those login information to log in to this other website here. So let's get started. So the first thing you need is to go to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to plugins, then add new plugins. Now I'm going to install a plugin that will help us back up our website, and it's called wpvivid. Now after we have installed and activated wpvivid, okay, let me install it. Now activate. Now after installing and activating wpvivid, it's important you also include a cloud backup. Now there are some options here that you need to take note of. Here it says database and files. So that means when you're backing up your website, it's going to back up both your WordPress database and the web pages and the media files. Then also save backup to local. So this means that it's going to save your WordPress backup on your cPanel. So what you do now is you're going to create a remote storage. Now this part is very important because in case you lose access to your cPanel, you can easily go to your cloud storage, download the file there, and still upload again. So I'm going to be using Microsoft OneDrive for this. So I'll click on Microsoft OneDrive, and I'm going to authorize Microsoft OneDrive to access my WordPress account. So just the basic sign up. I've already authorized the link, so I'm just going to log in. So now Microsoft OneDrive is now authorized to save my WordPress site once I'm done backing up the website. So next thing we'll do now is click on backup and restore, and we'll click on backup now. So once it's backing up, you'll see a progress bar loading here. So let's allow it to finish. Okay, now our website has been backed up. Now to show that I've been backed up, I'm going to log into my cPanel and show you where the file is. So right now I'm in my cPanel, and I'm going to access my file manager. So I'm using Hostinger because Hostinger is a fast web hosting and also cheap. So if you want a affordable web hosting for your website, you can use Hostinger. The link is in the description of this video. You can go down to WP content, and down here I'll see wpvivid backups. I'll click on that, and you can see I have my website backup right here. So I can download this file and have it on my PC. So as you can see, your WordPress backup is inside your file manager. So I'm going to go into my OneDrive account. So I'm going to go to my OneDrive and click on sign in. So this is my account, and I'm going to click on my files, and you can see wpvivid in here. I'll click on that, and you can see I have, okay, this was an old backup. You can see that one is still coming. It's not yet uploaded successfully. So once it's done uploading, you'll see the backup in here. So that's how you connect your OneDrive account to your WordPress account to back up your website. Now we have our backup right here. And I want to upload this backup onto my new website here. So what I'll do is I'll log into the admin dashboard of this website, and I'll navigate down to plugins and add new plugins. I'm also going to install wpvivid, install and activate. Now before we proceed, let's take note of the web page that is active here. So this is the web page, just a default WordPress installation I just made, and this is the default page. So I'm going to upload that backup in here. So I'll click upload, select a file. So I'll select a file, and I'm going to click on this file. So this is my backup. I'm going to click on open. Also click on upload. So it's going to take a while to upload. Okay, it's done uploading. So I'm going to click on OK, and now this is the website backup. So I'm going to click on restore and click on OK. So it's going to restore my website from the old website domain to the new website domain. Okay, our website has done uploading, so I'm going to click on OK. Okay, remember when I said you should remember your WordPress login? So I'm inside my WordPress account and I'm going to view this website right now. Okay, now after you upload your website and you try to view your website page, if it doesn't show properly, what you do is you come back to your admin dashboard and click on this plugin, and click on this plugin right here, and click on purge all. Now it's going to clear your website cache and make sure that your website page is loaded normally. Another way to do it is click on this three dot on your Chrome browser and click on new incognito window, and you simply put in your website page here. And so this is how you back up your WordPress website. Please don't forget to like this video, it really helps the channel a lot, and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you know when I upload useful content like this. See you in the next video.